Are you still trading manually and constantly hesitating? Should you enter the market now or wait for a better moment? What if the market itself already shows key price levels, and your task is simply to use them correctly? Most traders lose money not because they lack a strategy, but because of poor timing, overloaded grid systems, and the absence of clear and disciplined risk control. This becomes especially dangerous during unstable market conditions, when volatility changes rapidly and emotions begin to override logic. Pivot Levels Pro EA is a professional automated trading advisor for MetaTrader 5, designed for systematic and disciplined trading based on objective market levels, not guesswork. At the core of the system is automatic analysis of pivot levels, price zones that the market repeatedly uses as reaction points, correction areas, trend continuation zones, or potential reversals. Pivot Levels Pro EA automatically calculates and plots pivot levels using several well-established methodologies, allowing traders to adapt the system to any instrument and market environment. The trading logic is built around pivot-based strategies. The advisor supports 5 different pivot calculation methods. Each method creates its own structure of support and resistance levels and suits different market conditions and trading styles. The classic pivot method is based on the high, low, and closing price of the previous period. It is a universal approach for stable markets and level-based trading. Fibonacci pivot levels are calculated using Fibonacci ratios. They are well suited for trending markets and price movements with deep corrections. Camarilla pivot levels form a dense structure around the current price. They are commonly used for intraday trading and mean reversion strategies. Woody pivot gives greater weight to the previous closing price and works effectively on active markets with directional movement. DeMark pivot uses a limited number of levels and focuses on identifying potential reversal points during strong impulsive moves. You can select any pivot method and choose the time frame for level calculation, adapting the strategy to a specific market or trading instrument. Pivot Levels Pro EA opens trades strictly according to predefined rules and never enters the market randomly. When grid logic is enabled, the advisor builds a controlled structure of entries by adding new positions at a fixed and predefined distance in points from the previous order. The maximum number of simultaneously open positions is strictly limited and configurable in advance. This allows you to control deposit exposure and overall risk. To improve trade quality, the system uses multiple layers of protection. The first layer is distance control. Each new position is opened only at a defined distance in points from the previous one. The second layer is a time filter. The advisor enforces a minimum interval in minutes between trade entries, even if trading signals appear more frequently. The third layer is spread control. If the current spread exceeds the allowed value, the advisor temporarily stops trading, avoiding entries during news events, low liquidity, or sudden price spikes. This combination of filters significantly improves trade quality, prevents overtrading, and filters out weak signals. The system includes a full set of position management tools: stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, and break even. Stop loss and take profit are defined in points and automatically calculated when each trade is opened. Stop loss can be fully disabled by setting its value to 0. In this case, positions are managed using take profit along with trailing stop and break even mechanisms. There is one important detail here. Both trailing stop and break even always move from the trade entry price, not from the stop loss level or any intermediate value. This means that until a position becomes profitable, it remains unchanged. Once a trade moves into profit, the system begins protecting earned price movement. Even with stop loss disabled, trailing stop and break even work correctly from the entry point. This approach prevents the market from taking back earned profit during normal pullbacks and corrections. Pivot Levels Pro EA works across a wide range of instruments: major Forex currency pairs, precious metals such as gold and silver, energy markets like WTI and Brent, and cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum. The full potential of the system is revealed in the MetaTrader 5 strategy tester. You can test the advisor on historical data spanning several years, select optimal timeframes, and fine-tune parameters for each trading instrument individually. The strategy tester also allows optimization by trade direction. You can test 3 modes: buy only, sell only, or trading in both directions. Optimization shows which mode performs best for a specific market, based on statistics, not assumptions. Pivot Levels Pro EA is designed for traders who want systematic, disciplined, fully automated trading with strict risk control. No emotions, no guessing, only rules, only levels, only proven logic. Visit Forex-EA.com. Explore all the features of Pivot Levels Pro EA. Download the advisor, test it in the strategy tester on your chosen instrument, find the optimal settings, and start trading like a professional. Your path to profit starts here. Forex-EA.com.